great example. See all this rock? Look at all that dirt. I mean, just look at the amount. There's dirt here. All of that clay they threw back up top of the rock. You're never gonna allow any water to flow down to your socked pipe because this is a crappy French drain. Look at all that water. You know? Everybody's talking crap about burrito wrapping and wrapping your system, but apples are not doing it either, because this guy's telling you, look at all that water sitting there. I just want to show. Look at all that water that's not getting into this sock pipe. See all that water sitting there? All that water sitting down there, not making it into the pipe. The whole system is not wrapped with French drain fabric, Nonwoven Geotextile Fabric. This little sock is already clogged. All that clay is clogging it. Look at all that rock and all that clay. Don't let these people sell you dreams.